do 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 do. Hey, hey, hi. Okay, hope everybody had a fantastic or alright or not bad Christmas. I'm going to do a video today using my Christmas present. Bam, purples. A purple look today. Aren't you excited? Get started. Did my eyebrows. They're in there. They're there. So let's just do eyeshadow, I guess. Yeah. I just ate cereal. Mini wheats, my healthy cereal. My non-healthy cereal, for those of you that are highly interested. Eggo waffles cereal. That stuff is boom. Say hey. I'm gonna start with that. Beauty sleep. Right there, it says right there. Maybe if I just grab some tape. Okay. Beauty sleep. Get me some beauty sleep. I never wake up looking beautiful after sleeping. I don't feel like talking about my makeup technique because it's kind of just boring. Put on the makeup, put on your eye, put on your face, you blend it. I'm just gonna tell you guys what I did yesterday, which was I woke up and I stayed there. And then I went to sleep. I watched Cinderella. I love Cinderella. And for people who don't like it and just say, oh, she just got saved by a man, blah, blah, blah. She did not. The lesson for like children to learn is like, no matter how bad your situation is, keep your head up. Keep dreaming, and eventually things will get better. You know? Okay, what are we gonna do now? So grab my little crease brush. Little crease. My auntie gave me all these brushes. So shout out to my tia Lola. Miss you, tia. I love you. Thank you. Put this color right up in there. Ooh! I got new shoes. I love my shoes. Got an addiction. All of a sudden, everybody likes them too now. That's kind of like, whatever. Everybody just wants to be just like me. So annoying. Like, you cannot wear the same shoes that they make all over the world. My room kind of echoes because I have a guitar. And it's like, hey. And it goes in there. It's like, oh. And it says, hey back. I never look directly at the camera because I have to look at that little right there. I like looking at myself. Like, I got another pimple right here. Freaking hate this whole pimple mask fiasco that is just going on with my face. I do not like it. What do you do after Christmas? Besides just lay in bed and do nothing but watch movies? Is that what everybody else does, or is that just me? Best part of my Christmas is how cute my dog is. She thought my nephew's presents were for her. She's a spoiled little girl too. And if you don't love my dog, well, I don't like you either. I'm wearing a hat today because I didn't feel like brushing my hair. Like, it's all gross because, so like, I sleep on it. Oh yeah, that purple color, that one that I just used, I didn't even tell anybody. Purple Passion. That's what it's called. Purple Passion. I can't open it anymore. The next color I'm going to use La La Land. That's my land. That's put that right there. Little corner. It's like glittery. I need to watch a good movie. Any movie recommendations would be greatly appreciated. I like watching like fantasy stuff. I don't know. Oh, I love movies where people discover they have magical powers. I don't know why, because I wish I had magical powers. I would like mind control. Have anything you want with my control. Basically, I just mind control the sucky people to not be sucky anymore. What am I doing? Cute. Maybe we can talk about some cheesy end of the year stuff. I'm pretty sure most people are on the same page that this year sucked. Not to spoil it for everybody, but 2021 is probably not going to be that much better. I did get a new job that I like, so it got better. The girl that was mean to me at first is nice to me now, so that's good. There's another girl that wasn't very, well, she wasn't mean, but I just could tell she did not like me very much. But she's not working right now because she just doesn't feel like it. So that's nice. Oh, so I grabbed Blissed Out. We go get Blissed Out. Lilac Love. That is that. I kind of wish this one was more vibrant. It's not really. Kind of just is there. See, can you hear that echo? It's from my guitars. I used to play guitar, and I stopped because I sucked at it. Turns out you have to practice to be good. Look at that nice pimple coming in. That's great. Oh yeah, I forgot. Like, I think I lose track of like things that I'm saying, and then I stop talking about it and I move on to something else, and I'm just like, whoops, what was I talking about? And then like later on I come back to like, did I ever finish like making my point about so and so? I didn't. I'm looking at my fence and just admiring the moss on the fence. I really like moss. I think it's cute. Like, so that's the only thing that's good about these rainy, cold times. It's moss. I just really like it. I even tried before those Pinterest things, like, cause like our chimney thing in the backyard, I tried to like get moss to grow on it. It didn't work. Moisty. Okay. Okay. Just peel that and get it all over your hair. Just kidding. Oh no, you're gonna see my hair. Oh, okay. That's what my hair looks like today. I'm thinking about trees. I like redwood trees, birch trees, willow trees, oak trees, and some other kind of trees. Time for some contour. Yay! We're going to do a little of this. I need to like work this thing out. I don't want this anymore. I need a facelift. Hold my hat. Look at that. I got rid of my pop. You can't even see it. Now for the ending time. I got that receipt. Look like phone numbers. That card is my business card. I mean, can I have your business card? Please? Oh my god, my nose is so skinny. See, look like phone numbers. If you need something wrong, number. Larry, I got big nostrils. You have to learn to love yourself just the way you are. I wonder how it happens if I give myself like a whole mustache. Like try and just, like, you know? Was that cute? Does it look like my bigger? No, that just looks like a mustache. Okay, let's not do that. It's not cute. It's not cute. Let's talk about rent. My parents used to live in Berkeley. They used to pay $200 for a 2-bedroom apartment. If I could pay $200, oh my god, I'd be so happy. I'm sure that place is like $3,000. I want to live in Berkeley. That's my favorite. Like, how do people afford rent? Like, I have a good job. It's not good enough. Like, I can't even afford to live in the ghetto. It's so sad. I'm being really down-ish today. I'm sorry. It's starting to get dark out. What time is it? I don't know. I don't have my phone. Where's my phone? Look at how cute my nose looks. All in this together. Now, what is that from? I'm getting sleepy. Okay, friends. Now we're going to go back and beauty sleep. Beauty sleep. And do that right there. What is that from? And now I grabbed purple. You know what I've noticed? And no offense if it is you. Like, you do you. People whose favorite color is purple, like, really like purple. Like, that's all they wear is purple. They're like, oh my god, I love purple. Let me wear purple. This, purple, that, purple. My favorite color is blue, and I am obsessed with it. However, I don't wear blue that much. Not like what my favorite color blue is, because it doesn't look good with me. Like, unfortunately, I look better in like, well, I don't wear pinks besides this color. Like, this is the lightest shade of pink I will wear, unless it's like a burnt, like pale, like dusty rose pink. You know, I hate baby pink. Oh my god, I got dog hair all over me. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so people that like wear purple, like, just, I used to do dog training in high school, and there was this lady who, I loved her. She was awesome. Her favorite color was purple. This lady, she had like really cool hair color. It was like purple. It was like a dark purple hair color. But she did that, and she had dark purple hair. She would always wear purple Uggs and purple jumpsuit. Like, her purse was purple, and everything was purple. And this one time, this guy that used to go to where I worked a lot, like, he wore head to toe purple. every single time I saw him. Y'all guys really like purple. Shout out to those purple lovers. You guys just make this world so purple. This one, Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy. And put it right there. Yeah, it's a little bit more oomphy. Oomph-a-doomph. That's a good word. Oomph-a-doomph. Oomph-a-doomph. Hold on a second. Someone's coming. Here it comes.
Howdy.
Come on there. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's cold. Why do I have that song in my head? Isn't it like High School Musical? I never even watched that. I'm like too cool. Do a little blush. Milk makeup. Lip and cheek is called Purp. I like to just pat it. Oh my god, it looks so cute and like rosy. Like I just ran. I'm like blushing. I like it. My sculpted face. And I'm going to use that one because it's got like a pinkier tone to it. And we're going with pinkies today. It's fabulous. My lips have disappeared. Let's bring them back. I'm gonna use this and then I get it above my lip. See how that looks. Let's give myself some big lips. It doesn't sound like I'm listening. I'm gonna go back and use my lip and cheek and use it on my lips. I have a dog hair on it. Okay. You can tell this is above my lip. This one's Naked. And this one's 1993. Today we're gonna use Bobbi Brown. So I'm going to go in with 24/7 Good On in Tornado. It's like a purple. And just, okay. It's cute. Okay. I'm all done. I hope you guys like the look. Let me know if you have any questions or whatever. Okay, bye.